Two golden birds sit on the same branch. One hops from fruit to fruit, tasting, reaching, restless. It pecks at the sweet and recoils from the bitter, always doing, always grasping. The other bird does nothing. It simply watches, still, quiet, disturbed by nothing. The eating bird is your ego. The watching bird is yourself. Both live in the same body. The peace you are searching for is not somewhere else. It is sitting right beside you, on the same branch, waiting to be noticed. You were never only the eating bird.